Hi guys, I just moved house from Spain. You remember me from Spain. It's just morning and I want to show you around our Italy house because we just moved to Italy. We had to get up super early that morning. My little brother loves airplanes. That's my daddy and my mommy. Goodbye. Hello, I am from 99,100. This is my sister, Edie. We're on the plane. Your camera's vlogging. That's the end of the story of 2 as well. Stop attacking
Goodness, do you want to go back?
No.
I changed my mind.
Hello, I am in a taxi. Where are we going? Italy. We are gonna go to the holiday house. Okay. I want to show you around the house, so let's go. We're starting outside. It's a bit sunny. This is my mom's bedroom. I show you, just need to put the camera up. This is her dressing room. Some hangers. If you don't, just comment down below. I'm just going to show you one of her bracelet. This is her favorite bracelet. Shoes down here. Look, I'll show you. This is her favorite shoes because they're a bit plain. Okay, I just cold one. They're going to be really cold and slippery. Ice. Also got a hammock. It's too sunny to see that, sorry. The cat. This is my sister's bed. She got a giant stitched teddy. If you can see, that's it, 10. This is her bed. The stitch is there. Her bed and our suitcase when we unpacked. And our drawers. We got our own fridge. Let me show you. Whoa. That literally broke it. Well, that green bottle is fizz. Got these 3 bottles. If you slam it like this, look what happens. Really loud. That's my sister's side of this closet. That's my side. I'm filming.
I'm sorry.
That's my mom. My dad's in the pool. I'm gonna tell him, can I go in the pool with you guys? Can I go in the pool?
You can.
This is like I did at Spain. Just need to figure out how to put this on. It's very hard. My mom puts my top on, so I'll bring you to my mom. Let's go in the pool. Hey guys, it's me and... Hey guys! Oh my god! Okay, let's go. First we have a pool, then we have like a shower drain. This is my room and Alessia's. Oh, it's so cold. Oh. My chocolate. So this is the pool. So warm. So warm. Follow for more.